Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I want to present a option for you on those days when your curls just aren't acting right. Like, all us natural sisters know that there are certain days when our curls are just popping, like, yes honey, popping. And then there's days when it's like, what are y'all doing? Y'all are not being cooperative, and I'm trying to live my best life. So if you're interested in a style that can be really nice, neat, sleek, and cute, stay tuned. So to get started, you'll want to go ahead and part your hair in the center, and then you'll want to divide that section of hair into two by parting down the middle. So we're going to work with one section at a time. You can go ahead and give it a light spritz with some water, and then you're going to part that section of hair into 3 equal parts. It's totally up to you if you want to make sure your parts are completely straight and perfect. Me, however, I choose not to make sure they're like perfect, but it still gives a good look. In this case, with this particular drawstring ponytail, it's going to cover up part of the design anyway, so it doesn't have to be like 100% perfect. So next, what you want to do is grab your favorite gel, go ahead and apply it to that very first front section of the 3 parts, and you want to smooth it up with a brush, and you want to smooth it towards the middle part and the front part of your hair. And then what you want to do is take a rubber band or an ouchless band and go ahead and tie it off. And we're going to just repeat this same step with each section. One thing I do want to point out is that for the middle section, you want to try and get your ponytail to be like right in the middle of that square. So if you can, try to do that. And then the very last section, you want to pull and make sure that the hair is towards the back corner, the furthest away from that middle part in the back corner, so you can kind of create like a diagonal look. So now what we're going to do is we're going to gather the hair in the front section, twist it, and then twist it underneath the second section, and grab a hair tie and tie it off. We're going to repeat the same step with the second section of hair. Go ahead and twist it, and then go underneath the third section and tie it off with a hair tie. Now we're going to move on to the second section of hair, and we're going to repeat the same steps that we did on the first side. This time I'm just going to give you a little closer look. Excuse me, I'm having like a little moment. If you wanted to stop here and just wear your hair, the rest of your hair out, you could, and just add like some hair accessories at this point. But of course, that's not the goal right now. So what you want to do is go ahead and put some gel or edge control on the sides of your hair, so you can go ahead and smooth it up with a brush up into a high bun. The higher the bun, the better. And in this video, I didn't quite get my bun as high as I would have liked to have, but just so you know, the style looks the best when your bun is as high as you could possibly get it. As you can see, your bun doesn't need to be perfect just because it is going underneath a drawstring ponytail, but you do want to make sure that it is centered. The ponytail we'll be using today is by Janet Collection, the Afro Perm String in 1B. This ponytail comes with 2 combs and the drawstring. What you want to do is you'll want to either take a pick or just use your fingers and go ahead and comb it out or pick it out some so that the curls look more natural and not like you took it straight out the pack. And one thing that I did off camera, because it was causing me some pain and discomfort, is I rotated the drawstring ponytail so that the combs go in on the sides versus in the front and the back, because it's not much hair there to latch on to due to the design in the front. Now that our ponytail is nice and secure, we're going to finish off the look with some hair cuffs. Of course, we're going to lay those baby hairs. So tell me what you guys think. Like I said, it's super easy, quick and cute, especially on those days when your curls just are not acting right. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications so you don't miss out when I post. And then also make sure you drop me a comment below, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.